Did you know there's a giant creature that can survive in outer space? Or that a single cloud can weigh as much as 100 elephants? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are counting down 30 bizarre, mind-blowing facts that you almost certainly have never heard before. Make sure you stick around for number 1 because it will completely change how you look at the night sky. Let's get into it. Fact 30. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This stops it from rolling away, allowing them to mark their territory effectively. Fact 29. Flamingos aren't actually born pink. They are born gray and their feathers turn pink due to a natural pink dye called carotenoids in their diet of brine shrimp and blue-green algae. Fact 28. A shrimp's heart is located in its head. Fact 27. Snails can sleep for up to 3 years at a time if the weather conditions require them to hibernate. Fact 26. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift away from each other in the water. Fact 25. Cows have best friends, and they experience measurable stress when they are separated from them. Fact 24. There are more trees on Earth than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Earth has about 3 trillion trees. The galaxy has around 100 to 400 billion stars. Fact 23. One average cumulus cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds, or roughly 100 elephants floating above your head. Fact 22. It rains diamonds on Saturn and Jupiter. The intense atmospheric pressure crushes carbon into graphite, then into diamonds. Fact 21. Venus is the only planet in our solar system that rotates clockwise. Fact 20. Tardigrades, or water bears, are microscopic creatures that can survive the vacuum of space, extreme radiation, and boiling temperatures. Fact 19. There is a giant cloud of alcohol floating in Sagittarius B2, a region near the center of the Milky Way. It contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Fact 18. Humans are the only animals capable of shedding emotional tears. Fact 17. Your brain uses the same amount of power as a 10 to 20 watt light bulb. Fact 16. Every human spent about half an hour as a single cell at the very beginning of conception. Fact 15. The total weight of all the microbes living inside your gut weighs about 2 to 6 pounds, roughly the same weight as your brain. Fact 14. Human teeth are the only part of the body that cannot heal themselves because they are not made of living tissue. Fact 13. If you unraveled all the DNA in your body, it would stretch from Pluto to the sun and back. Fact 12. Nintendo was founded way back in 1889. They originally manufactured handmade playing cards called Hanafuda. Fact 11. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing, 1969, than she did to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, circa 2560 BC. Fact 10. Oxford University is older than the Aztec Empire. Teaching at Oxford existed by 1096, while the Aztec civilization began around 1325. Fact 9. The first VCR, invented in 1956, was the size of a piano. Fact 8. Tug of war was an official Olympic sport from 1900 to 1920. Fact 7. In 1325, 2 rival Italian city-states, Bologna and Modena, literally went to war over a stolen oak bucket. Modenese forces won and still keep the bucket today. Fact 6. Bananas are radioactive because they are rich in potassium, specifically potassium-40. Don't worry, though. You'd have to eat 10 million of them at once to die of radiation poisoning. Fact 5. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Fact 4. The match was invented after the lighter. The first lighter was invented in 1823, while friction matches weren't invented until 1826. Fact 3. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins can. Dolphins need to surface after about 10 minutes, but sloths can slow their heart rate down and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes. Fact 2. Sharks have been on Earth longer than trees and Saturn's rings. Sharks emerged around 450 million years ago, Trees showed up 350 million years ago. Fact 1. When you look at a star that is 65 million light years away, you are seeing light that left that star during the time of the dinosaurs. If an alien on a planet in that system had a telescope powerful enough to see Earth right now, they wouldn't see cars or buildings, they'd see a T-Rex walking around. Which one of these facts blew your mind the most? Drop a comment down below. If you learned something new, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss another video. See you in the next one.